At the 2024 Hong Kong Autumn Lighting Fair, held at the prestigious Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Center, industry leaders from around the globe gathered to showcase cutting-edge advancements in lighting technology. Shanghai LongJoin Intelligent Technology Inc., a pioneer in photocontrol and intelligent lighting solutions, stood out with its innovative offerings, drawing significant attention from industry professionals and international buyers. LongJoin presented a range of products, including smart streetlight controllers, photocell sensors, and intelligent city management systems, providing comprehensive solutions for outdoor and smart city lighting. The intelligent photocontrol products on display integrated state-of-the-art IoT and cloud computing technologies, enabling remote monitoring, real-time data collection, and adaptive lighting control. These systems not only optimize energy consumption through dynamic adjustments to lighting levels based on ambient light, but also enhance operational efficiency with automated fault detection and early warning systems. Such features align with the rising global demand for energy-efficient, eco-friendly urban solutions, positioning LongJoin as a key player in the sustainable city infrastructure movement. Throughout the exhibition, LongJoin's booth was a focal point, attracting numerous buyers and potential partners who recognized the technical sophistication and versatility of the company's solutions. Through live demonstrations and in-depth technical discussions, LongJoin showcased how its products meet the critical needs of smart city development, energy conservation, and intelligent control. Their solutions seamlessly integrate with smart monitoring systems, offering users robust lighting management capabilities through remote control and advanced data analytics. The Hong Kong Autumn Lighting Fair provided LongJoin with a valuable platform to connect with global industry leaders and strengthen its brand presence on the international stage. This exhibition not only underscored LongJoin's expertise in photocontrol technology and smart lighting solutions, but also highlighted the company's commitment to shaping a smarter, greener future for urban environments. Looking ahead, LongJoin is dedicated to continuous innovation in lighting technology, working alongside industry partners to drive sustainable development in smart cities worldwide. With intelligent, eco-friendly lighting solutions, LongJoin is paving the way to a brighter, smarter future.